Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing really good. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is Unit 3, our needs, clothes and fabrics. Stepping up necessity of clothes, how clothes are made, fibers and fabrics, care of clothes. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about why we need clothes. Clothes are made of fabric and fibers and we should टेक केयर ऑफ क्लॉथ्स. तो इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे कि हमें क्लॉथ्स की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है. क्लॉथ्स जो हैं वो फैब्रिक एंड फाइबर्स के बने हुए हैं और हमें क्लॉथ्स की कैसे केयर करनी चाहिए. Why do we need clothes? Every day you wear different types of clothes. Some are colorful, some are light, while some are heavy and warm. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. They protect our body from dust and insects too. Clothes also reflect our personality, culture and tradition. So we should wear clothes as they protect our body from insect bite, from the climate and from heat, cold, rain. Also they make us look wonderful. तो क्लॉथ्स जो है हमें क्यों पहनने चाहिए? क्योंकि क्लॉथ्स जो है ये हमारी बॉडी को कवर करके रखते हैं. अगर सोचो आप क्लॉथ नहीं पहनोगे तो आपको इंसेक्ट्स बाइट कर लेंगे और आपकी बॉडी में जर्म्स चिपक जाएंगे, आप डर्टी लगोगे. साथ ही साथ जो क्लॉथ्स होते हैं ये हमें हीट, कोल्ड और रेन से बचाते हैं और ये हमारी पर्सनैलिटी को भी और निखारते हैं, उभारते हैं. Engage, take the correct option. Dash, protect the body from dust and insects too. A, clothes. B, water. C, food. So the correct answer is clothes. Woolen clothes keeps us the dash. A, cool. B, warm. C, sweat. So as you all know, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Why we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because they make us or they keep us warm. So we will write warm here. तो क्या चीज़ हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है, हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करती है डस्ट और इंसेक्ट से? तो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं 3, इसमें से सही ऑप्शन है क्लॉथ्स. क्लॉथ्स हमें प्रोटेक्ट करके रखते हैं. वुलन क्लॉथ्स जो है ये हमें क्या करते हैं? ये हमें गर्माहट देते हैं, हमें वार्म रखते हैं. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ क्लॉथ वी वियर. डू यू वियर द सेम टाइप ऑफ क्लॉथ्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर? आफ्टर अ लिटिल ऑब्जर्वेशन you will easily notice that this is not true. We prefer to wear light color cotton clothes in the summer. Cotton clothes soak sweat easily and light color clothes reflect heat back and help us to keep cool. In the winter, we prefer to wear heavy woolen clothes too that keeps us warm. So we do not wear same kind of clothes throughout the year. We wear clothes according to the season, according to the weather. As we all wear cotton clothes in summer, as they make us feel very cold or very comfortable, and we wear woolen clothes in winters as they make us warm. तो हम डिफरेंट तरीके के क्लॉथ्स जो है वो डिफरेंट सीजन में, डिफरेंट वेदर्स में पहनते हैं. हम एक ही तरह का कपड़ा पूरे साल नहीं पहनते. आपने देखा होगा हम समर्स में कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं क्योंकि ये हमें कंफर्टेबल फील कराते हैं, ठीक है, ये हमें हीट से बचाते हैं. और विंटर्स में हम वुलन क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं क्योंकि ये हमें गर्माहट देते हैं. The special clothes you wear to school is your uniform. Some people such as doctors, soldiers and firefighters wear uniform to work. We should wear loose fitting clothes while sleeping to maintain good blood circulation. As you have seen, when some professional or some people go to their work, they wear some kind of cloth which is called uniform, as it is compulsory for them to wear that uniform in their workplace. As you all children wear uniform when you go to school, and when you come back you change that uniform so that you can wear it again next day when you go to school. We should wear light-weighted, comfortable clothes when we are sleeping. When you wear tight clothes or you wear uncomfortable clothes, will you be able to sleep? No. तो कुछ लोग जो हैं वो जब अपने काम पे जाते हैं, अपने प्रोफेशन पे जाते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, तो वो एक तरह का कपड़ा पहनते हैं, उसे हम यूनिफॉर्म कहते हैं क्योंकि वो उनको वहाँ पे कंपलसरी होती है. जैसे आप स्कूल जाते हो तो आप क्या पहनते हो? यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हो, और जैसे ही घर आते हो तो उसे उतार के आप रख देते हो अच्छे से, ताकि आप नेक्स्ट डे उसे दोबारा पहन सको। ठीक है, हमें जब सो रहे होते हैं तो हमें लूज क्लॉथ्स पहनने चाहिए, ये हमें सोने में क्या करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं। Fibers and fabrics. Cloths are made from various cloth materials or fabrics. Fabrics are intertwined thread or fabrics. They are made by knitting or weaving fibers together. Fibers are long, narrow and thin threads obtained from plants, animals or artificial sources. So the question comes in our mind is cloth is made of what? So they are made of different fabrics, and fabrics are made from different fibers. The fibers are thread like material, we weave them, we knit them to make cloths. तो जो कॉटन, जो क्लॉथ हम पहनते हैं वो कहाँ से आते हैं, वो फैब्रिक से बनते हैं। और फैब्रिक जो है, कपड़ा जो है, किससे बनता है, वो थ्रेड से, फाइबर से बनता है। और ये जो फाइबर है ये हमें अलग अलग सोर्सेज से मिलता है, प्लांट से भी मिलता है, एनिमल से भी मिलता है, आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज से भी मिलता है, जिससे हमारा कपड़ा जो है वो तैयार होता है। Fibers obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers. Cotton, wool, linen, jute and silk are some natural fibers. Cotton is obtained from cotton plants, linen is obtained from flask, silk is obtained from silkworms, wool is obtained from animals like sheep, goat and camel. Clothes made of natural fibers are good for the body because they soak sweat easily. They are less prone to fire and do not have allergic reaction on the skin. Sometimes to make clothes long lasting and wrinkle free, both natural and man-made fibers are mixed with one another. So there are some fibers which we obtain from plants and animals. These are natural fibers because we get them from nature, and there are some other fibers which are man-made. तो कुछ फाइबर्स जो है ये हमें नेचर से मिले, जैसे प्लांट से मिले, एनिमल से मिले, जैसे कॉटन हो गया, वूल, सिल्क हो गया, ये हमें प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दोनों से मिले हैं, तो ये नेचुरल फाइबर्स कहलाते हैं। कुछ फाइबर्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो मैन मेड होते हैं। Do you know blending different fibers together produces yarns? Examples: polyester, cotton blends shirts are more easy to care and crease resistant than shirts made from 100% cotton. Lycra is always used in blend with other fibers. This is used to make sports wear and jeans. So we blend some kind of fiber so that we can make good products, like they are crease resistant and they are easy to care as compared to the original, the authentic fiber which we obtain from the nature. As lycra is always used in a blend with other fibers, means we blended with other fiber to make a good fabric like we wear in sports. तो हमें कुछ फाइबर्स को साथ में ब्लेंड करना पड़ता है ताकि हम एक नया फाइबर बनाएं, और ये जो फाइबर होता है ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है, ये इसमें क्रीज वगैरह कम लगती हैं और इसको आप अच्छे से केयर कर सकते हो एज़ कम्पेयर टू जो आपका 100% कॉटन होता है, जो आपका प्लांट से मिला होता है। Human made fibers such as acrylic, neon, nylon and polyester come from oil and coal, but we should always prefer natural materials while choosing ready-made clothes or getting clothes stitched. Different fabrics are used to make different things of daily use. So man-made fibers are these: acrylic, nylon, polyester, etc. But we should prefer to wear cotton cloths, the fabric which is made up of natural fibers. मैनमेड जो फाइबर्स होते हैं इसमें आपका एक्रिलिक, नाइलॉन, पॉलिस्टर ये सब आते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन हमें हमेशा नेचुरल मटेरियल से बना हुआ फैब्रिक ही यूज़ करना चाहिए। टेक ब्रेक, डिसीजन मेकिंग बेस्ड, राइट T for true and F for false. Cotton cloths keeps us warm. No, it is not true, it is false. Cotton cloths keeps us cold. We should wear loose fitting clothes while we sleep. Yes, it is true. Clothes protect us from heat and cold. It is true. We should wear colorful and heavy clothes in summer. No, it is not true. We will write false here. All clothes are made from the same fabric. No, it is not true. All clothes are made from different fabrics. अब यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स हमें दी गई है, यहाँ पे हम देख लेते हैं ट्रू या फिर फॉल्स कौन सी है। कॉटन क्लॉथ जो है ये हमें वार्म रखती है क्या? नहीं, हम यहाँ पे फॉल्स लिखेंगे। हमें क्या लूज फिटिंग क्लॉथ्स पहनने चाहिए सोते समय? यस। क्लॉथ्स जो होते हैं ये हमें हीट एंड कोल्ड से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? यस। वी शुड वियर कलरफुल एंड हैवी क्लॉथ्स इन समर, क्या हमें समर्स में कलरफुल और हैवी क्लॉथ्स पहनने चाहिए? नहीं, हमें लाइट कलर के और लाइट वेटेड क्लॉथ्स पहनने चाहिए जैसे कि कॉटन। ऑल क्लॉथ्स आर मेड फ्रॉम द सेम फैब्रिक्स, क्या सारे के सारे जो क्लॉथ्स हैं वो सेम फैब्रिक से बने हैं? नहीं, सब के सब अलग अलग फैब्रिक से बने हैं, तो आप यहाँ पे फॉल्स लिखेंगे। नाउ केयर ऑफ क्लॉथ्स, वी शुड टेक प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ क्लॉथ्स। क्लॉथ्स कैन लास्ट लॉन्गर इफ प्रॉपर वॉशिंग, ड्राइंग, ironing and mending are done regularly. Clothes should be washed with good detergents and dried in the shade. Drying clothes in very bright sunlight may fade their color. Clothes should not be wrinkled very tight as it damages them easily. Woolen and silk cloths are easily attacked by insects such as moths and silverfish. So these clothes should be dried properly and stored in wardrobes with moth balls. So there are some measures given or steps given to keep our clothes neat and clean, which we should take good care of our clothes. As we wear clothes, so we should wash them on regular basis. We should dry them properly, we should iron them, and we should mend them properly or in regular base. Clothes should be washed in good detergent and it should be dried in proper sunlight, or you can dry them in shade. Drying clothes in bright sunlight may fade their colors, so avoid making them dry in the sunlight. Clothes should not be wrinkled very tight as damage them easily. Woolen and silk cloths are easily attacked by insects, so we should keep them properly with moth balls. तो क्लॉथ्स की केयर करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, हमें अपने क्लॉथ्स की केयर करनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं वो डर्टी हो जाते हैं, तो हमें उन्हें वॉश करना चाहिए। क्योंकि अगर आपने एक बार कपड़े उतार लिए, उसको यूं ही रख दिए, फिर दोबारा से उसको उठा करके पहन लिया, तो उससे क्या होगा, जो जर्म्स हैं आपके कपड़ों में वो आपके बॉडी पे दोबारा चिपक जाएंगे और आप बीमार पड़ सकते हो। तो हमें क्लॉथ्स को अच्छे से धोना चाहिए, अच्छे से सुखाना चाहिए, अच्छे से उनको ड्राई करना चाहिए और अच्छे से अगर वो कभी फट जाते हैं तो उनको अच्छे से सिलना भी चाहिए। अच्छे गुड जो डिटर्जेंट आता है बाज़ार में उससे आपको कपड़े धोने चाहिए। अब वुलन क्लॉथ जो होते हैं ये सर्दियों में ही पहने जाते हैं, गर्मियों में इन्हें हम बंद करके रख देते हैं। तो जब आप इनको बंद करके रख रहे हो किसी भी कबर्ड में या आप अपने बेड के अंदर, तो जो नेफ्थलीन बॉल्स आती हैं आप उनको इनके साथ रख सकते हो ताकि इनमें जर्म्स वगैरह, जो मॉथ्स वगैरह हैं और सिल्वर फिश है, वो ना लग सके। Now chapter cover up. Clothes protect our body from insect, dust, sunlight, heat, cold and rain. Different kinds of clothes are worn in different parts of the world. Wearing loose fitting clothes while sleeping help in blood circulation. Clothes are made from various types of fabrics. Knitting or weaving is the process by which fabrics are made from fibers. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, wool and jute are obtained from plants and animals. So children, in this chapter we have learned about the clothes, how clothes protects our body from insect, dust, dirt, sunlight, heat, cold, rain, etc. How we wear different kind of clothes in different occasions, different weather or different seasons. We should wear loose fitted clothes when we are sleeping as it helps in blood circulation. Side by side we have learned how the clothes are made with different fabrics and we should keep them neat and clean. We should take care of the clothes very properly. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, wool and jute are obtained from plants and animals. Synthetic fibers are human made. Clothes should be washed with good detergents. Clothes are to be ironed, stored in wardrobes with mothballs so that insects and fungus cannot damage them. So children, in this chapter we have learned about the clothes, how clothes protect our body from dust, dirt, sunlight, etc. How we wear different kind of clothes in different occasions, different seasons. We should wear loose-fitted clothes while we are sleeping, and clothes are made from different type of fibers. Some are plant-based, natural, and some are man-made, and we should take good care of our clothes. इस चैप्टर में हमने क्लॉथ्स के बारे में जाना, कैसे हमारी बॉडी को कवर करते हैं, किन किन तरह के क्लॉथ्स होते हैं और अलग अलग तरीके के क्लॉथ्स हम अलग अलग ओकेजन्स में, अलग अलग हम सीजन्स में उन्हें पहनते हैं. क्लॉथ्स जो हैं उनके बारे में हमने जाना कि वो कैसे बनते हैं, किस फाइबर्स, किस फैब्रिक के वो बनते हैं. कुछ फाइबर हमें नेचर से मिलता है, जैसे कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल से हमें मिलता है तो नेचुरल फाइबर्स होते हैं. कुछ प्लांट्स, कुछ फाइबर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमें ह्यूमन, मैन मेड, हमें मतलब मैन ने बना करके दिए हैं. साथ ही साथ हमने जाना कि क्लॉथ्स को हमें कैसे अच्छे से टेक केयर करके रखना चाहिए. थिंक एंड आंसर बेस्ड ऑन NEP 2020. A, tick the correct answer. Clothes protect us from option A, insect, option B, dust, option C, cold, option D, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Clothes protect us from insects, dust and cold. Second, silk is obtained from dash. Option A, sheep, option B, goat, option C, silkworms, option D, none of these. So the correct answer is silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Third, clothes should be washed with dash. Option A, good detergent, option B, bad detergent, option C, both, option D, none of these. So we should wash our cloth with good detergent. Fourth, which fibers are human made? Option A, synthetic, option B, cotton, option C, wool, option D, jute. So the correct answer is synthetic. Synthetic is human made, man made. Rest of the fibers are natural. Fifth, woolen cloths keeps us dash. A, warm, B, cold, C, both, or D, none of these. So when we wear woolen cloths, we wear them in winters because they make us warm. So we will write warm here. B, fill in the blanks. Clothes made up of dash soak sweat easily. So you will write cotton here. Alright children. Now second, loose clothes help in maintaining dash during sleeping. Sleep, it is blood circulation. Loose clothes help in maintaining blood circulation. Third, linen and jutes are the example of dash fibers. So you will write natural fiber. Fourth, nylon is an example of man-made fiber. Fifth, clothes in wardrobe must be stored in dash so that insects and fungus don't damage them. You will write mothballs here because they protect the clothes from the fungus or from the insects. Now see, match the following: column A, column B. School, we match it with uniform. Cold day, we match it with jacket. Sheep, wool. Nylon, it is artificial fiber. Soaks sweat easily, it is cotton. यहाँ पे हमें दो कॉलम दिए गए हैं, आपको मैच करना है. जैसे स्कूल में हम क्या पहनते हैं? यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. कोल्ड डेज में हम क्या पहनते हैं? जैकेट. शीप से हमें क्या मिलता है? वूल. नाइलॉन, ये क्या है? ये एक तरह का आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर है. और कौन सी चीज़ स्वेट को इजीली सोक करती है? तो ये हैं बच्चों कॉटन. Now D, answer the following question. Write what are fibers. How many types of fibers are there? So you will write the answer. Clothes are made from various cloth material or fabric. Fabric are intervened thread or fibers. They are made by knitting or weaving fibers together. Fibers are long, narrow and thin threads obtained from plants, animal or artificial sources. Plant or animal are called natural fibers. Cotton, wool, linen, jute and silk are some natural fibers. Human-made fibers such as acrylic, nylon and polyester come from oil and coal. Second, what is natural fiber? Give some example. Fibers obtained from plant or animal are called natural fibers. They are cotton, wool, linen, jute, silk. They are natural fibers. Third, how will you take care of the clothes you wear? So, we should take a proper care of clothes. Clothes can last longer if proper washing. Drying, ironing and mending are done regularly. Clothes should be washed with good detergent and dried in the shade. Drying clothes in very bright sunlight may fade their color. Clothes should not be wrinkled very tight as it damages them easily. Woolen and silk cloths are easily attacked by insects such as moth and silverfish. So, these cloths should be dried properly and stored in wardrobe with mothballs. Now, fourth, how are artificial fibers different from natural fibers? So, you have to mention the difference between artificial fibers and the natural fibers. So, the answer is cloth made from natural fibers are good for the body because they soak sweat easily. They are less prone to fire and do not have allergic reaction on the skin, while artificial fibers are not good as natural fibers. Fifth, why do we need to wear different kinds of clothes in summer and winters? Cotton clothes soak sweat easily and light color clothes reflect heat back and help us to keep cool. In the winter, we prefer to wear heavy woolen cloths that keep us warm. Now, out of the box critical thinking, make a list of the kinds of clothes you and your parents wear throughout a week. Observe the kind of clothes and the material used to make them. Write down the reasons behind wearing those clothes. Also predict what kind of clothes you will wear during different times of the year depending on different season. So, you have to make a list or you have to note down what kind of clothes your family is wearing for a week. You have to write the name of the cloth and you have to write the fabric which is by which the cloth is made of, and also you have to predict what kind of cloth you are going to wear during different times of the year. So, it will be depend on different season like what you wear in summer or what you are going to wear in winters. आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक लिस्ट बनानी है अपनी और अपने पेरेंट्स की कि आपने पूरे हफ्ते में कौन कौन से कपड़े पहने, उनका नाम आपको लिखना है, किस फैब्रिक से वो बने हैं वो भी आपको लिखना है। साथ ही साथ आपको प्रिडिक्ट करना है, मतलब आगे भी आपको भविष्यवाणी करनी है कि आप अलग अलग सीजन में कौन से कपड़े पहनने वाले हैं। Cross links physical media development. People wear different clothes or uniform to work. Find out about the clothes worn by a firefighter and the significance of the clothes in relation to the work he or she does. Prepare a report on your findings. So, you have to find out some pupils who wear uniform in their workplace like the firefighter and the significance of the cloth in relation to their work, and you have to prepare a report on what you find. आपको जो लोग डिफरेंट अपने ऑक्यूपेशन पे जाते हैं, वो डिफरेंट क्लॉथ्स अपने यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, तो उनके ऊपर आपको एक रिपोर्ट जो है वो रेडी करनी है। जैसे आप फायर फाइटर्स को देखते हैं, वो अपने अलग यूनिफॉर्म पहन के जाते हैं, उसका यूनिफॉर्म का क्या महत्व होता है, वो क्यों यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, ये भी आपको पता लगाना है। जैसे डॉक्टर्स वगैरह वाइट कोट ही क्यों पहनते, कोई दूसरा क्लॉथ क्यों नहीं पहनते, कोई दूसरा कलर क्यों नहीं पहनते, जो सोल्जर्स हैं वो क्यों वो यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, ये सब आपको पता लगाना है और उस पर एक रिपोर्ट जो है वो आपको रेडी करनी है। So children, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now you will revise the chapter and practice the exercise to understand the chapter thoroughly.